So guys, this is my go bag. I have panty liner. In case na hindi ka makapapalit ng panty, mag-panty liner ka na lang muna. Wipes. Guys, wipes. Toothbrush. Oat lotion. Some coins there. And then, sabon. Toothpaste na anak ko. Alcohol. Okay. We need all of that. And the toothbrush. Pakyan ako nito. Kasi there super typhoon coming here in the Philippines. So we need to get ready because in the another city for grabe yung baha, grabe yung karanta, di ba? Mabuti na yung ready tayo. And I have clothes. Clothes kami. Tissue. Damit ng anak ko. Ano pa dito? Snack. Damit ng anak ko. Damit ko. Damit niya. And then, how many diapers I got here? 2, 3, 4. 5 4. I'm gonna add more. Just to be safe. 5. I'm gonna put 5 diaper. And then I have 2 wipes inside here. I have wipes also here. My water. I'm gonna prepare more water. We have manzanilla. Ano to? Inner gamot ko. Sali sa mga pilsa ng anak ko. Meron tayong Libalay, manzanilla. At kailangan ko pala ng iba pang bago. Kaya pa ako ready. So guys, pray for the Philippines. Okay, I will bring the news also. Lagay pa tayo ng more water, guys, kasi 'di ba? Mas maganda yung